This is one of the most elegant couture looking clutches I've ever seen. I love the Python embossing on this. It's really, really high end, beautifully done. It's a low contrast, so it's gonna go from kind of a tan taupe to more of a charcoal instead of a black and white, really, really soft and elegant. You have the beautiful stripes down the front, which are stunning. I mean, this is so gorgeous. It looks like you just went to Madison Avenue and had a little breakdown and had to have it. It zips across the top, obviously. The inside's a beautiful, simple brown, and then of course you're gonna have a zip pocket and bag. But this is that simple little bag that you just grab whenever you're going somewhere, and it's always gonna be the perfect size. You always look finished with a clutch, super easy. You can always put it in one of your larger bags if you need to carry a tote with your laptop and other things for work, and then this is your personal bag, and you take this out. Just a really, really beautiful, finished, sophisticated look. The perfect touch of exotic in a clutch.